welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you my favorites for the last month. I hope you guys have noticed I've been posting pretty regularly. I've been trying to do 2 to 4 videos a week, just depends. I would love to get your opinions on what kind of content you like and if you've been liking the kind of content I've been putting up. It's hard to say when you don't get as many views as other YouTubers, like whether a video was a hit or not. It's like, well, it got 25 views instead of 30, so was it good? I don't know. Let me know. Do you guys like declutters and clean with me's, cook with me's, lifestyle stuff, vlogs, makeup videos? What do you want to see? Okay, so let's jump into my favorites. The first one I want to talk about is not beauty or even mommy or home. It's actually all of the above. It really kind of depends. And your area, your neighborhood may have something different, but if you're a part of like nextdoor.com or the Nextdoor app, you can also be on Facebook for your community. I'm part of a group called Buy Nothing online, and they have people in my area, so it could be like a 15-mile radius or something in my zip code or nearby, and they just post things that they want to get rid of, and it's free, literally just free. You can be like, hey, I've got kid toys from ages 0 to 3 and I'm getting rid of them. Please comment if you're interested. And you know that they're within 15-mile range of you. And you can be like, I want them. And they'll be like, great, message me to get my address. And then you message them, you put on your mask or your mask and your gloves, or you bring your Lysol wipes or whatever you want to do, and you pick it up from their porch or their curb at a certain time that you guys schedule. You don't have to have contact with anybody. It's amazing. So that is like one of my favorites this last month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever. How long have we been in quarantine? Goodwills were closed. I couldn't even donate my used crap if I wanted to because they weren't accepting donations because of coronavirus in 2020. So it was amazing. I was just like, hey, I'm getting rid of this that my baby has outgrown. And people were like, oh, I needed a bouncer. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And they feel good. I'm not putting crap into a landfill. I didn't have to go to Goodwill. And it's a very close-knit group of people. Like, yes, there are several hundred people on there, but it's often the same like 30 people over and over that are like, I could really use that. Or, you know, if your baby outgrows clothes and you're done having kids like we are, you know, you ask your friends and family like that you know might have more kids, do you want any baby girl clothes? Because if you don't, I'm going to donate them. And they're like, no, I don't want them. You're like, boom. And then somebody picks them up by the end of the day. It's amazing. So highly recommend you finding like a swap group or a Buy Nothing group or a Nextdoor group, your neighborhood group, whatever you can find online. Get free stuff. I miss garage selling. I miss thrifting. I miss going into a store and shopping. We're going a little stir crazy staying at home since March. So I thought I would share. That is one of my favorites. I've been getting new stuff for the kids, toys, activities. Like we got an indoor tent thing the kids can make like a fort with. We've gotten littlest pet shops. I got a bike for my kid. And then I've gotten clothes for me. I've gotten stuff for the house. You know, just the bike, like that was amazing. So I just want to recommend to you guys that you go look for a group like that, something in your community where you can get free stuff. Also, I want to talk about some beauty products. I don't know. I can never tell how many people like the beauty stuff and how many people prefer the lifestyle stuff, like I said, because nobody comments. So I'm just going to do a mixture of whatever I like and hope you guys like the same thing. But I did want to show you, I just put it right out of my reach, the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. If you guys haven't tried these Too Faced palettes, they're amazing. They're a little pricey. I think this one's about 50 bucks, could be 54, 49, something like that. It smells delicious, which is irrelevant to how it performs. Nobody else is going to smell it, and you can't smell it once it's applied. But this one's just really pretty. And I like it because I am a purple wearer. I think purple looks really pretty on brown eyes and green eyes especially. And I have kind of both in my eyes. And it also has my like everyday neutrals. So if I just want like, you know, brow bone, lid, crease, and, you know, transition, like I could just use that part of the palette and it would be, you know, my perfect everyday palette. And then if I want like glam, and I can go orangey or I can go cool tone with purples. I can do smoky by putting one of these on the lid, or I can do natural over here. I can even use this like for filling in my brows because there's a couple of like warm brown shades that are matte that in a rush, this thing is amazing and it smells good. So it's not that affordable, but I think it is affordable if you consider that it'll last you years, you know? I mean, like, yes, they say, it says on the back it expires 12 months. let's just say I've had it a while. And it's still going strong, so don't worry that it doesn't smell weird. It still smells delicious. I love the Too Faced Chocolate Bar. That is probably my favorite palette ever for a new makeup wear. So like, it's the same size as the Chocolate Bar. And this one is amazing. If you're a neutrals wearer, it's very good. Beginning makeup, this is the one. That's the eyeshadow palette I recommend if you're a newbie, you don't necessarily like cool or warm, you just kind of want something for every day. But this one is gorgeous too, and I feel like between the two of them, like if I had to go away, let's say for a year, and I like could only bring 2 palettes, I think I would bring these 2. They're really good. I do love like the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones. I love my Huda Beauty. I love my Lorac Pro too. You know, I like lots of palettes, but these are the 2 that I probably reach for the most. And when I make my makeup basket, like to bring into another room or something, and I'm gonna be using it more than once or twice, I'm definitely gonna reach for one of these because I can do a lot of things. Like this burgundy here, oh, it's pretty. Light pink, the gold, the neutrals are really pretty. But then I have my purples, so I can kind of do like a little pop of something. Anyway, so that is a definite beauty favorite, and I guess I'll say 2 beauty favorites. Highly recommend those. And then I wanted to talk about this Revolution Beauty Vivid Baked Highlighters. Don't know where the third one is, but Revolution Beauty Vivid Baked Highlighter in Peach Lights. That's this one. I'll show you in a second. And this one is in Radiant Lights. And they're similar. You know, you can tell this one's a little bit more peachy. But that's what I have at the top of my cheeks today. And they're shimmery. Don't get me wrong. They're definitely like highlighters. I was swatching something else over there. They're definitely glowy. But I don't look like I'm, you know, I don't look that bright. I just think they're really pretty and make you look radiant, and they don't have glitter in them or anything like that. They're so affordable. I think these are under $5. Could be like 6, but honestly, they're very affordable at Ulta, and I think you can maybe get them at CVS or online for sure. So I definitely recommend those. I'm going to mention this again because I mention it all the time. If you have not done it yet, you need to. The Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. You need it. It is $4.99 at Ulta. They also sell it at Amazon now, and they sell a 3-pack, which is even more affordable. I like the green one. There's a purple one, the minty bluish green one. I think that one is the waterproof, but I like the green and the purple the best. Definitely the green is my preferred. And there's like a pink one, and there's like 5 or 10 mascaras in Essence line, but seriously, they're so affordable and I really like them. So I know I've said it before and you guys are probably annoyed, but that is a product I've been loving. Here is another one. This is one product that I keep in my everyday makeup drawer. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. And this one is the Jaclyn Hill like Champagne Split. So it's got Champagne Pop Highlighter and Flower Child Blush. This is really good for on the go. It's like a really pretty everyday blush and a glowy highlighter. So what I love about this, whoa, my lighting just like freaked out for a second. See how it like freaked out on me? Anyway, the blush is really pretty for every day, and I can actually use it as a transition shade for eyeshadow, and the highlighter is actually really good as an eyeshadow and an inner corner highlight too. So they just mix together, make a really pretty highlighter if you don't want it quite as white. If you have fair skin, pale skin, you'll love this. Even medium skin. I don't know if you would love it if you have dark skin. But I keep this in my drawer because it's very useful to me for, you know, blush and eyeshadows and highlight. I also really like this one. This is the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish and Cheeky Bronze. I feel like this is something I've definitely reported on before, but I'm reporting it to you today. I love it. Cheeky Bronze is a good bronzer and blush. When I'm running late, this is a product I reach for to do bronzer and blush in one sweep. I just big fluffy brush and go whoosh, whoosh, and I'm done. And it makes a good transition shade or all over the lid shade. So I'm all about ease these days. And then I'll just mention one more product. This is the Laura Geller New York Incredible. It's called the Incredible, I-N-K, and then a C-R-E-D-I-B-L-E, waterproof gel eyeliner pencil. This one is called Brown Eyed Girl. And I think this is out here because of my empties. Yeah, I've already used this one up. It is a brown liner that is waterproof. It does not budge. And it has a teeny tiny bit of shimmer in it. Not a lot, but enough that you're like bronze brown. And I feel like Brown Eyed Girl is right. I have brownish eyes, kind of hazel. And I think it looks really pretty. I'm not wearing it today because it's empty, but I have I think the other one's called like Blue Jay. something like that. There's a dark blue that's really pretty. There's a purple, there's a dark green. I love these liners. I think I got them in a 3-pack or 5-pack one time, and I'm running out of all of them because even the green one I've used a good amount of times. So that is it for the products that I have been loving and the Facebook group that I've been loving this last month. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.